the sense of getting clarity on a design and the thing to reiterate is the clarity of your brand, of your idea, of your values. Re-articulate it. That is essentially the purpose of marketing and of the main purpose of a brand and of a company. And if you are clear on that, just repeat it. The reiterating or repeating, recreating of the definition is actually the simple fact of readjusting it, re-rendering it in the present context. And that's the really the big chunk of the work of the new ecosystem of work, of what work is about. Since we've automated everything else, it's about refining, reiterating your values, which are recreated, in fact, in every moment, which means they are re-rendered in the new context or of the expanding context of your language and map of meaning. That's essentially what work is about. There's a lot really that I want to record, and overall, like, there's a whole wealth of things that are very important for me to remember. These insights from today, from right now, from last night, around boiling down to pursuing really, like that talk about pursuing really your intuitions and really trusting your abilities and going after it, like that. You are exactly where you need to be, and this world here in San Francisco is for you, and essentially you were meant to be here from the start, and really you are like late to your destiny, and late to the party of your destiny. Your destiny is to build great products by having clarity and clarity on your values, and that's what boils down to a good brand, is having clarity on your values and being able to reiterate them, recreate them, because you are that reference point that regenerates the new meaning map. The same idea in the new context. It keeps it fresh and alive. That's what defines you as a human and your operation. You are eternally the one that's keeping this idea alive and this point of view. And so there's so many ideas here that you need to unpack and record, document, and chronicle. And one of them is like really pursuing that idea of community internationally, of developers and building this is the direction. So you know that for a fact, that this is the way, this is the world that needs to be created, and the roads need to be paved, and you are like creating the highways for the new cities. There's a lot of work there, and it's going to happen. So same as the pioneers built the highways, there is destiny there. The main idea that I don't want to slip by is this idea of really committing to pursuing that drone robotics company and community that builds FPV drones that connect with people in Ukraine and the world, and help it survive, and build that network and connect people with the resources, and with to improve the circulation of ideas and people and perspectives. That's the ultimate mission of this international community. And back in the day, maybe it was the communists or the international. I mean, this is like the 20s and the 30s. Like this, we've had this already. All of these loops we've already created, but here we are again. We have to fight again every day.
Hold us tight, whisper, please take this ride, 'cause we're past from forever burn inside. Trust that
ability to differentiate between you as an agent acting within a group, within a collective, versus from internally as a person experiencing those things and experiencing those thoughts and emotions associated with that mental model and that attempt, and then being able to tune yourself as this way of, by having this kind of grip on your operational data about who you are and what you are doing right now. That is the human loop, the tick of the education loop. Going from observing how the experience of decision-making process happens from within versus how it appears when it's recorded when it's played back from the outside. So this is behavioral therapy, behavioral science. Something about Pavlov and Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and tapped into tools of thoughts with an LLM organizational layer. How far can you take innovation in education? And even though you haven't tried yet or done much in this space, don't let that discourage you from starting now and being bringing some contribution to it.
And unfortunately, it ain't so. It's sort of, I'll give you an analogy. A lot of times we think, why is television programming so bad? Why are television shows so demeaning?